Fuck him up. Nothing in here. Nothing. Please. That's more like it, Reggie, please. Hey? Hey, bit of respect. Don't hurt, does it?
No, please, water.
We want some water? Look at that, gents. It's only begging for water. What do you make of it now, eh, your famous Reggie fucking Kray? Begging for fucking water. What does it come to? Hey, old Reg. Don't spill it, because you've had a little tumble, haven't you? Hey, look at this. Oh, good boy. Look at this. Reggie Kray, begging for fucking water.